The wind blew me over right 100 yards from there. Literally, went at a gust.
How long you guys been coming here?
Since 78.
Since 78?
Yeah.
And you've never seen it this sustained as far as the winds go?
Not like this. This is definitely top 5 that I've ever seen. And we've had some doozies in it.
Well, guys, I appreciate it. I'm gonna let you guys get out the cold because it looks awful out there.
No, it's not moving, man. Where are you trying to get to?
Right here.
Just trying to move to a parking spot?
Well, they're blowing my front, so I take care of the place.
Yeah.
So, well, I got a shovel back. The shovel's all around here.
I know.
You guys gonna use it? Oh, there we go.
You got any reverse? Could you go back at all? Down or something, baby. There we go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now this is like nothing to us now, you know?
Tom, where are you guys coming from?
Lake Mary.
Lake
There's
Mary?
a group of cabins down there.
Did you guys hike up in this?
Yeah, snowshoe.
Oh, what's it like out there right now?
Sunny and warm down by the cabins.
Sunny
70 degrees.
Continue on in through tomorrow. Blizzard conditions still exist through today, through tomorrow morning, most likely. Big snows still yet to come. I know I-80 is closed right now, so heads up for that. You should not be trying to travel across the Sierra Nevadas right now. Apparently, a lot of people didn't get that memo on through the day yesterday. A lot of people got stuck up there. I'm not sure how that turned out for a lot of people, but hopefully they got off the mountains safely. Now, looking for Southern California, there's a 20% chance of 1 inch for the I-5 and Grapevine, and you can see the lower snow levels rolling in here. And again, some of the rain for the foothills and mountains, the saturated areas up there. You could have some rock and mudslide issues out there, so for that. And we got big wave action, some gusty winds along the coastal areas as well, especially across the higher terrain. This is lightning flash density potential. This is the high resolution rapid refresh that goes out 48 hours. And again, you can see the lightning potential that we're going to be dealing with here as we go through the afternoon hours across much of the state, generally north of Southern California. And as we squall off into Sunday here, we may do it again as well. You cannot rule out a lightning strike on the day Sunday, mainly central and northern California. So looking at the wind speeds, I just want to kind of play through this and let you know that we're still dealing with the strong winds as we go on in through tonight into tomorrow morning. Southern California, Mojave Desert, as you can see, we start to relax things a little bit as we go through Sunday night across the Sierra Nevada. So that's good news. Finally, some relaxing of the storm here across the Sierra Nevada as we go on in through Monday. But the snow may continue on for some areas, and I'll show you that map here in a moment. At
what point did you decide to pull over?
When I started losing traction, and it's just getting a little dangerous.
And do you remember about what time this was at?
Let me tell you. Probably a little bit before 4.
And seems like, do you normally just drive through Interstate 80?
Yes.
Okay. And you ever experienced anything like this before?
Not this bad.
And, you know, just talk about, you know, those moments, you know, when you're driving and you realize you couldn't do this anymore. Can you...
Yeah, I was in first or second gear, 15 miles an hour, and I was losing traction, so I decided to pull over.
And, you know, you've been here since, right?
Yes.
Since what time?
Before 4.
And, you know, have they told you when, you know, you would be able to go home or when they would clear the roads?
No, they said that the main line is what they're worried about right now, and then they'll worry about the off ramps and on ramps after.
Okay. So it seems like it's basically like last priority then, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this Patriots Directory video. Please like, share, and subscribe. You are amazing in every way. You are handsome and brave. You are doing it up admirably. You make me incredibly happy. You are being rewarded by God Almighty. You are causing peace on earth. You are loved. I love you. You are being rewarded by God Almighty. You are causing peace on earth. You are loved. I love you. 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 You are doing it up admirably. You make me incredibly happy. You are being rewarded by God Almighty. You are causing peace on earth. You are loved. I love you.